Hi guys, so here's my collagen peptide drink that I make every morning after my yoga practice. Collagen has been shown to help out with flexibility, it helps with your joints, it helps with your bones, it helps with your gut health. It's like a miracle powder. So basically what I do is I use 1 scoop in my cup. I add a little bit of maca, which is like a super adaptogen. Also add 1 small scoop of that. And then I add a little bit of turmeric, just a little bit to taste. And just add water. You can also add a little bit of honey. It helps the flavor a little bit. So you can just take a little bit and